What's up, YouTube world? Like to welcome y'all to another day of tech, the Electrician Clubhouse. Like to introduce y'all to three electrician tools, which is made by Klein. Klein is the number one tool and hand tools for electricians. These right here is called lineman pliers. Electrician number one pliers. Basically, you can use them for a hammer, splicing wire, cutting, basically everything. These right here is the number one pliers, the electrician first number one pliers. These right here is called dikes, aka dikes, diagonal cutters, made for snipping, cutting. And these right here is wire strippers, which is known to strip, you know, Romex, BX, stranded wire, 14, 12 gauge, 10, 8. 14, 14 and up. But basically, all three of these tools right here is made by Klein. Good tools. Kind of expensive, but they worth it.